Today's topic is RHS congruence theorem. Theorem 7.5. Statement of the theorem. RHS congruence rule. If in two right triangles the hypotenuse and one side of one triangle are equal to the hypotenuse and one side of the other triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. Let two triangles be PQR and XYZ. In triangle PQR, hypotenuse is PR, and in triangle XYZ, hypotenuse is XZ. From statement of the theorem, we can say PR is equal to XZ. Two triangles are right triangles, so angle Q is equal to 90 degree and angle Y is equal to 90 degree. Now in statement given the hypotenuse and one side of one triangle are equal to the hypotenuse and one side of the other triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. Here hypotenuse PR and XZ are equal and QR and YZ are equal. So from statement we have given two right triangles, triangle PQR and triangle XYZ, where angle Q is equal to angle Y is equal to 90 degree. PR is equal to XZ hypotenuse and QR is equal to YZ one side. We have to prove triangle PQR and triangle XYZ are congruent. Proof. In right triangle PQR, by Pythagoras theorem, PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Equation number 1. In right triangle XYZ, by Pythagoras theorem, XZ square is equal to XY square plus YZ square. Equation number 2. PR is equal to XZ given. Therefore, PQ square plus QR square is equal to XY square plus YZ square. But QR is equal to YZ given. So, PQ square plus QR square is equal to XY square plus QR square. Here, QR square and QR square cancel. Or PQ square is equal to XY square, or PQ is equal to XY. In triangle PQR and XYZ, PR is equal to XZ given, QR is equal to YZ given, and PQ is equal to XY we just proved. So, by SSS rule, triangle PQR and triangle XYZ are congruent proved. Thank you. Don't forget like, share, comment.